Hey guys, it's Keith here, and today I'm going to be talking about that buildings that don't have fire alarms need to have fire alarms systems in there so they can alert people in case there really is a fire. So some buildings don't have fire alarms on old buildings, and sometimes in new buildings they don't put fire alarms in there by mistake. They need to put fire alarms in new buildings in case a fire happens. In case a fire happens in a building. And fire alarms need to be required in all buildings, in every building in the world, even homes too. So fire alarms can keep people safe from a fire. And also they need sprinkler systems too in buildings so the building doesn't get burned down. So sprinklers can prevent the building from burning down. And also fire extinguishers are required in buildings too. Some fire extinguishers are not simple in case of a big fire happens, so that's why they put sprinklers inside a building. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications when I post brand new videos on YouTube. And I hope you guys found this helpful. And I hope you guys find this video understanding why fire alarms are required and fire safety is required in buildings.